Hi everyone, I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to set your anaglyphs or calibrate your anaglyphs to work with Eyechart Online. So basically calibrating your anaglyphs is easy. You just go to your calibration and settings, and then on the right hand side context menu you'll see it's the third option that says calibrate anaglyphs. So if you click on that, it'll give you this screen, and then this is where you adjust your reds, this is where you adjust your greens, and this just gives you the output to show you what it looks like. So the way you would adjust your anaglyphs is you would literally take your anaglyphs and look with one eye through the green anaglyphs at the red box, and while looking at the red box through the green side of your anaglyphs, you would basically just drag the circle on the red color box down to reduce the lightness until you can't distinguish between the red over here and the background over there. So basically, if you drag it down and the red disappears against the background while looking through the green anaglyphs, that's where you stop. The other side's the same. To adjust the greens, you would just look through the red side of your anaglyphs with one eye, drag it down to reduce the lightness, and then as soon as the green disappears against the background, you're done. Now, of course, the binocular vision test or this can be done against both a white and a black background. So you can calibrate the anaglyphs both for a background a black background like we did right now, or if you just flick the toggle switch there, it'll switch you to the white background. Now, on the white background, the procedure is similar. You would look through the red side of the anaglyphs first, and then while looking through the red side you would just check whether the red box disappears against the white background. If it doesn't, you can just move the slider towards the white side to make it a little bit lighter until the red disappears against the white background when you're looking through the red side of the anaglyphs. And same with the other eye. If you look through the green side of the anaglyphs, just check whether the cyan box disappears against the white background. If it doesn't, you can just grab the circle there on the cyan and drag the slider to lighten it until it disappears against the white background. And that is it.